guys, we are going to talk about propaganda, and that encompasses persuasive language techniques. We've talked a little bit about persuasive language in the past. We're going to talk more about specifically propaganda. So propaganda is defined as information used to promote or publicize a particular point of view. It's designed to influence or manipulate people. It can exaggerate the truth, and it may contain hidden messages. So where do we see propaganda? Really in three main places. The first would be during times of war, like these posters. The second would be in commercials. And the third would be in politics, like this political ad. Okay, we're going to talk about specific techniques now. The first technique is called name calling, and this is when an advertisement is linking a person or an idea to a negative symbol. So you can see some examples here. You'll see words like liar or fool, and they're linking those words to a person or idea. The next one's called glittering generalities. That's when we're linking a person or idea to a positive symbol. So Chevy is being linked to America and a revolution. Subway is being linked to fresh. The next one we'll look at is called transfer, and that's when it's associating the product or idea with something people already like. So Coca-Cola is being associated with the military. Skittles is being associated with the rainbow because it's pretty, it's nice to look at. The next one is testimonial, and this is when you have a public figure or a celebrity promoting a product or a policy, a political candidate. Here's Taylor Swift for Diet Coke, and here's dentists recommending Colgate. Next is bandwagon, and this is making the appeal that everyone else is doing it, and so should you. So you can see McDonald's, billions and billions served. Australia has over 1 million Australians using Oral-B, and another name for this is FOMO, right? We don't want to miss out. Everyone else is doing it. Next, we'll look at fear. It plays on deep-seated fears. It warns the audience that disaster will result if they don't follow the action. So here's a couple of examples. The one on the left is during a time of war, and the one on the right is persuading you not to do meth. Finally, we're going to look at camaraderie. So camaraderie is trying to convince the audience that someone is one of them. You'll typically see the word you. So if you look at these two ads here, they both have you. And that's when the ad is specifically talking to us. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. That's all about propaganda. I hope you're all having a great day, and I will talk to you soon.